Test, hello. A great opening screen. Thank you, Ziggy made it. Oof, I'm a little sleepy today. I'm a little eepy. Yeah, all my scenes are not like completely set up yet. So, well, I mean, like, I had to switch, like, scene collections. Basically. I don't know how to describe it. How should I describe it? I don't know. Yeah, I think I'm just kind of eepy. Like, basically, I had to hide a lot of old assets from my old scenes because they were lagging up everything, but now that I quote-unquote have more RAM, it should all be better. Ijo, thank you for the sub. Hey, 1 point. Partner plus point, thank you. Yeah, anyway, I had like too many assets in OBS, and so I had to pare it down, and the starting soon screen was actually pretty complex given how I was doing it. There were a lot of effects, so I pared it back. Just temporarily. I'm gonna bring it back, but I have to like find time to like redo all my scenes in an efficient way a little bit. Going to plus, it's me. Thank you. I think we're gonna get it. You know, slow and steady. The thing is, if we don't get it this month, I have to do 3 months in a row, so this is month 1. We'll get it next month, no big deal. But ideally, you know, we can get the first qualification this month, so we don't have to worry about it for 1 extra month. Lockpip, thank you for the tier 1. I want to stress again, you know, no big deal if, you know, don't feel obligated in any way. I truly believe we can hit this just casually. I don't have to do any crazy ass subathons or anything like that. I really appreciate all the support, and I think most importantly, nothing will change. Like, whether I get it or not, I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing at the pace that I'm going, which is all pretty hardcore. I'm pretty hardcore. I'm already pretty fucking hardcore. Hardcore streaming. But really, I'm just gonna keep going at my pace. And really, this is not really, I'm not trying to say like it's for you guys, because like I said yesterday, I get more dosh. But partially, I do think there's value to you, the viewer, because, you know, if you ever choose to support, then more of your dosh gets incinerated. More of the dosh goes towards me. Learning how to copy the Cyberpunk scene was fun. That's great. I really, big things coming. If you're new here, I like to say big things coming. I like to say, big things coming, and just to hype things up, even though big things may or may not be coming. You know, it's just a way to keep you intrigued. Intrigued as to what might be coming, but I would love to turn some of those Twitter threads into like short videos that people can just reference, because I know Twitter is not the best place to store information. Is Chad the big guys? Chad was never real. Okay. Let me uh-oh. I am feeling a little eepy. So this might be a little bit of a shorter stream today, maybe like 2 hours-ish. Test, hello. Oh, I'm moving around. Okay, well, I'm gonna keep the moving around thing happening. Yeah, I'm still technically on my Helldivers scene collection, and there's like a bunch of different quirks about it. But for now, I'm just moving. So you're gonna see, normal viewers of the stream are gonna realize some things may be a little off, but it's because I'm still in the Helldivers collection. I'll probably fix it up by next week. Chad is not Pilot 5, okay? Guys, I'm the streamer. Chad is not the streamer. So today I'm gonna talk about the TTS thing a little bit. I'll wait for the stream to keep going, so more people can get in here. Actually, make the tweet to tell people I'm doing the TTS thing. But you're gonna get a behind the scenes look at how the TTS system looks, and you're gonna understand why I never talk about it. It's not because I'm gatekeeping, it's because it's insane. Go. Oh. Screenshot for Twitter.com. Oh, Wookie Art, thank you for the raid. Let me get this tweet out and give you a big thanks.
I've never seen a 113 and I never fucking
Oh, Dante, thank you for the raid. Oh my god, all the raiders. Thank you so much. 1 second, I'm making the go live tweet. Live on Twitch. On the system where type. Okay, thank you. Thank you for the raid. Welcome. Welcome. You see helldivers? Wait, does it not say software and development? I'm software and developmenting right now. God, look at something's not right. This one? Turn that off. Code, no source, nice box. I'm turning off knives. Sorry. It's like so many alerts being spammed here. Helldivers 2 TTS development. Yeah, it is exactly that. This is my Sammy. I'll show you. I'll kind of give you a walkthrough on how everything works. First time viewer, hello. We're gonna do some Helldivers TTS development, and then we're gonna play a little bit of Helldivers. Helldivers. But we're gonna chat a little first, let people filter in, and then I'm gonna talk about the TTS system, which is like, this is it. You're looking in the guts. Can you do the pirate software thing? You know, to be honest, not really. I think I'm a little eepy. I'm just gonna take it chill. I'm a little eepy. I'm gonna just get what I need to get done and then game a little bit. Because I keep telling myself this. I'm like, I should just make a proper video about how it works on my own, and I really should just do that eventually. Was working on stuff thing at GTA 4. Are you playing GTA 4? When I first played GTA 4, when it came out, I thought it was the most incredible game in the universe. Like at the time. What's up, Blurbs? We will play Helldivers today with any luck. I'm hoping this doesn't take longer than an hour, and then I can walk you through the TTS system. I'm a little late to the stream today. I actually could have started at 4:30-ish. I could have started at 4:30. Oh, check this out. I've also had this disabled for a long time. I probably should keep this disabled for the Helldivers thing. Wait, whoa. Oh, shit. It's because, fuck. Move, is it move? Audio move. Oh no, it's because, wow. It's because all my audio filters got completely destroyed. Cool. What is this? This one? Test? 1, 2? Okay. 1. Test. Test. 1, 2. Test 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Test 1, 2. Why is this not working? Oh, directional action. I'm not insane. I'm doing something real. Okay, here we go. Yes. Okay, there we go. I got this little guy. Do I have voice filters again? Does it sound like I have a filter on? I shouldn't. It shouldn't. Sorry, let me catch up with chat really quick. Is the chat overlay my own? No, look up Crone_co. A lot of YouTubers have this chat overlay. It's a custom thing by a guy named Crone & Co. He does really great overlay work, and it's like 12 bucks. Heard something in my throat. I think I'm just a little tired. Little EP today. I also could have gone live a little earlier, but I was playing Helldivers with friends. Crazy. I was playing Helldivers with some friends, and it was the first time I've actually played Helldivers multiplayer. Which is absolutely wild, actually. I was playing, I'm like, this game is crazy fun. This game's actually really fun when you play with people. How'd the friendly fire treat? I survived, but we had someone, we were playing in Discord, and then someone was watching us play, and they're like, oh, I'm buying this game. And then they like, it was cool because they bought it, downloaded it, did the training, and like dropped in. And that was like kind of a cool idea. Oh, can I spell that? Yeah, Crone_co. That's the, and they also stream on Twitch. They have a lot of innovative overlay stuff on Twitch too. But they do a lot of, if you watch any large VTubers, the one that comes to mind is Matara. If you watch Matara, her emotes are by Chromco. Does a lot of emotes for a lot of large VTubers. Does a number of ones for Hololive too, I think. Yeah, his art is crazy. His art is, he used to come by the stream. He still does come, they still come by sometimes. And they were giving me live 2D tips a while ago. Wow, I am really EP. I can't really talk. Hold on. On this live 2D thing, I'm gonna actually turn off this waving around because did I make the code from the ground up or learn from videos and stuff? So I know how to code a little bit. I'm not a professional programmer, but I know like coding stuff. Like I just kind of learned it over the years. And just knowing the basics is important. So I know how to like make a variable, make a loop, use an if statement, things like that. So just the base, like very basic coding. And then on top of that, you kind of have to understand like web APIs. And what that means is a platform like Twitch, you can access some information about a stream as it's happening, right? It's through the API. So as the stream is happening, it's sending out information through the API, like who's chatting, what message are they saying? And you can use that API, you know, with code and like do interesting things. Like basically you can take that code and then put it in your game, put it in your web app, put it in anything else. What does API mean? I don't know. I'm just saying words and letters. Now, honestly, I think I know what it means, but it doesn't mean anything. So it's like a complete bunch of gibberish words together. Acupuncture, teens, infection. Yeah, it might as well say that. Stand. But why I like this program's called Sammy. It has a stream deck. Like this is one deck. And if anyone has used a stream deck, you'll be familiar with the interface. So this is like a deck and there's like a button for each thing you want to do. So technically when I press a button like this on this Helldiver screen, if I press one of these buttons, it increments my partner plus goal, which I should move. It increments my partner plus goal. But it can also like be triggered based on different stream events. So the thing I want to talk about the API is programs like Sammy make it so you have to do less coding. It's more drag and drop. It's more like just clicking around to like access the API. Application programming interface. Yeah, that's right. I know what it means, but like I can't remember that. It's just those are just words. That's like saying API stands for programming fun time. Yeah, squishy mints is a better definition. It's a way that programs and components can talk to each other. This looks like a deck for Ableton Push. That's a really... I should get an Ableton Push to use this. But with Sammy, you can actually use it with your Stream Deck or use it with... I use an iPad, actually, that has this popped up. And when I press the button, something happens. But here, you can see, like, you can set different triggers for each of the buttons. So this button I never press for TTS, right? It's triggered every time you guys chat. But it gets like kind of complicated because like I want to control when you chat. So I have this thing that like turns on and off chat. These buttons like control the animation for each peepo when they chat. It basically tells all the other peepos to be quiet. That's just like a high level overview, but I'll get in depth to it. Downloading Sammy, you can switch from Mix It Up. Here's a hot take, okay? I think Mix It Up is really excellent if you want to make channel points that show a custom GIF on stream. If you want to do like, here's a channel point, here's a funny sound, and here's a funny image in a custom browser source, Mix It Up, I think, makes it really easy. I think Mix It Up is really bad, or it's much more difficult on Mix It Up to... It's way harder to do like custom events like I'm doing with Sammy. Dukavuk, welcome. How easy is this to learn from essentially no skill? I think it's easy because the best way to learn, and thank you for the subscription. +1 to the, we're 75% to Partner Plus. We're pogging. We're pogging out of control. I think the best way, and I don't take my own advice here. I don't take my own advice here, but the best way to learn is to find a very small or simple goal or project. And I think with something like Sammy, that's extra good for streamers because then streamers already know what kind of experience they want on stream, right? It's like, I want to make a channel point reward that like changes the scene, right? And then so I can go into here. Oh, hold on. There's this bug, this really annoying bug. 1 second. Or it's like a bug on my computer. You honestly ask ChatGPT sometimes if that's like the right. But I'm really eepy for. I'm not talking about Discord today, so sorry, can't answer that. All my music is great, thank you. This is me. Okay, so let's say I want to make a new button that like changes a scene, like from every time you chat, or like a channel point or a command. So let's say, and this is an example of like, how can I learn with like no experience? You do have to know like some very, very basic programming stuff. But I think Sammy is a great way to start learning it, actually. So here I'm inside the button, right? I created a new button. I'm inside the button. I'm gonna add a command. This plus button here. This is not meant to be like a full tutorial. I'm just kind of vibing through this stuff. And Sammy supports a bunch of different commands. So this one's like OBS commands, and you can actually look at everything it can do, right? Or you could like just search, right? So I can type like, I want to switch scenes. So I type in scene. It's like, oh, switch scene. Okay. So every time I type this button, let's say I have to like connect it to OBS. That's the first part. There's a bunch of like setup you have to do, but once you get it done, it's go to starting soon screen, right? And it like just knows all my scenes because it's connected, right? If you use Stream Deck, like this should be familiar with you. In my opinion, it's much faster, right? And then now I can click this run button or save and run. If you have Stream Deck, you kind of you understand like 50 to 70% of this. Now I click run, and it changes to my starting soon screen, right? Like this is not me switching it on OBS. This is me doing it through the button, right? It's me doing it through this button. So every time I press this button, it will change to starting soon. So what if I want to make it every time Twitch chat types switch, right? Can this connect to VTube Studio? You might need a plugin for that. You might need an extension for it, but it might be able to. If anything, you can like keyboard simulate a press, so you can like do a keyboard, like simulate a keyboard press. But let's say I want to like trigger this button anytime someone in, I'm not going to say anybody. Let's say anytime I, the broadcaster, check this box here, type the word switch in chat. Like there, then we can set it up to do that. So there's so many different types of like trigger combinations, like subscriptions. I could trigger that on subscription, on a raid, like with bits, like when a hype train starts, and like there's so many like layers to this. It's like when the hype train starts, when it gets to a certain level, when it ends. Like it just makes it easy to use the Twitch API without me having to actually learn it. Yeah, honestly, start with the idea first. Sammy is not heavy. No, it's not heavy on the PC. Can you make a vid, something like Patreon? You gladly pay. Here's the thing. It's not a will people pay thing. I appreciate the sentiment. It's like more of a time thing. I need to find the time to make a video, and I'm happy to make a video, you know, to put on YouTube. It's just like I need to take the time. That's it. And I hope it's very soon. It's my goal to do it by the end of March. I know that's long, but like I kind of have to set the timeline really long because I can't promise you it's gonna be done in the next 2 weeks. I would love it to be done in the next 2 weeks. I can appreciate. Okay. Yeah, you can start moving like some simple redeems to Sammy. I'll say this, like, I feel like this might be a little overwhelming. Like you see all this and you're like, oh my god, this dude's like fucking senior programmer at Google or some shit. It's like, no, this is just from me starting very simple and then realizing more and more what I could do. Because here's my old deck that I used, and it's kind of crazy, but like this cum one, this was the this one is the, what is it? It's the cyberpunk one. Like the cyberpunk one was it was a simple one. What it does, it basically just switches a scene and then it plays it switches scenes and does that. That's all it does. Right, and then I found a way to like take the chat's text, right? So I'm thinking about doing this one at a time. Okay, I realized like me rambling like this does not make very compelling short form content, but this is a pure vibe. This is a pure vibe discussion, okay? I'm not trying to farm clips or anything right now. I'm trying to encourage you. Like how the yeah, what if I just run this? Oh wait, no, it's not gonna work because of the way my OBS is set up. But the first thing I thought was like, how do I switch a scene? Now, when I switch the scene, how do I freeze the scene? And then once I freeze the scene, how do I play the sound? And like breaking down the steps one by one really helps. And here's another one. Like this one is a flashbang, where it will like turn the screen completely white, like an actual flashbang. And then I was like, oh, that's funny. Like people can literally flashbang the screen. So I figured out how to do that, which was just like uploading a flashbang video. Like I found a video online of someone throwing a flashbang in Counter-Strike and turning the screen white. And then the next thing I thought was, wouldn't it be interesting if when the flashbang is happening, if my mic and the audio of the stream sounded like it was being like obfuscated by the flashbang. Like if you play Counter-Strike, you get flashbang, you can't hear anything, and it's like slightly muffled. Then I kind of like learned about audio filters, and that's what the stuff up here is doing. Is like it turns on audio filters that make it sound like I'm being flashbanged. So I started very simple, and then like slowly over time, I'm like, wait, if I can do this, then I can do this. If I can do this, then I can do this, right? But I'll say like it will take some time to learn, but I think it will go a lot faster than you think. Because once you understand, like, and if you already have channel points set up, you'll get it. Like once you understand how things are connected in this thing, you're like, okay, if I can like switch scenes, or I can like show and hide sources for fun, then I must be able to animate sources in this way. And if I can animate sources in this way, like store information from chat and redisplay information from chat, then I can do this and this and this. And so I think really starting with like the idea first and like seeing what's possible is good. Yeah, once you get the ball rolling, like you will just, I guarantee like the ideas will just kind of come to you. And the other thing I used to do is like, I would just like poke around Sammy. I'd be like, okay, like what is every single OBS command do? Like what is it possible to do with OBS triggers? Like what are these file management triggers? Like, oh, I can manipulate a CSV. That's fucking crazy. I can set variables. Like I can set variables of other buttons, of my current button. I can like create a string, an arbitrary string that I need. I can change text on the screen to anything I want. There are if statements, which are really important. Like, I feel like Sammy in some way, if you're a streamer, is like one of the best ways to learn concepts in programming. Not because it's like really fast sometimes, like you still have to click and drag and drop and that can be slower than typing, but because there's such a close feedback loop between you having your idea, looking in Sammy and see what tools it has to make it possible, and then like executing on it really quickly. And like learning programming, one of the harder things to do is like finding why it's valuable to you sometimes. It's like, okay, I'm learning to code, but like, how do I take this code and make it a website? Like making it a website is like a whole different skill set almost sometimes, like uploading it to a server, finding the right service. And this is like, well, it just hooks up to OBS, so you can just test it immediately. That's like that's the best thing. Yeah, this is drag and drop coding. Someone yesterday was saying this is just Scratch. Also, thank you for the tier 1. Hold on. Who was that? Octolirius, thank you. Oh, fuck. It crashed. My bad. Oops. Yeah, the way this my goal works is not very elegant. I don't even want to talk about that. Does Sammy hate coding? A lot of programming is the ability to break down concepts in chunks. Yeah, exactly. Does your code make it so only 3 chat members are the frogs, or does it randomly assign every chatter? It randomly assigns every chatter to one of 3. I can like let me see if I can do an illustration. Actually, I'll do the paint. I'll do it in MS Paint. I'll do it in MS Paint. This is how the TTS works. I can show you the code, but it's gonna be completely disgusting, so it's not gonna make any sense. How do I use MS Paint? Okay, so this is how it works, right? So you have a chat. Right, you have a chat message, right? And so from the chat message, what I first get is your user ID. Right, and so what this is saying is every time whoa. There it is. So this is what it looks like in Sammy. It's like every trigger on the chat message, it activates this button. And in this button, right here, I use this trigger pull data command, and that lets me store your user ID, your chat message, and your username. Right? And so with your user ID, which is like a random string of digits. So if you don't know what a user ID is, basically every account on Twitch has a numerical ID. Like that's how it's stored in the Twitch system. The good thing about this is I don't think it's random, completely random, but like it's close enough to like random-ish that I can't like guess, you can't infer someone's user ID based on their name, right? So your user ID looks like this. It's like 98213 or something. And I just take some part of this. Let's say I take the last digit. I don't even remember which digit I take. I think I take the last digit. And I say, depending on this last digit, let's say users with user ID 0 to 3, users with ID, let's say 4 to 6, and then users with ID 7 through 9 get sorted into 3 different buckets. Is there a way you can, any of us see that, like user ID? You can look up Twitch user ID on Google, and there is a service that you can just type it into and it'll display it back to you. And so if you're 0 to 3, you know, your Peepo number 1, I'm gonna just say P. Honestly, sometimes I wish I had a Wacom tablet to just do this on. I'd probably just get a cheap one. And if I talk in chat, which pilot am I think I get assigned to pilot 3. I don't know my user ID off the top of my head, but I think I get assigned to pilot 3. So this is how it kind of basically works. Is I take your chat message, I figure out your user ID, which like Sammy does for me automatically. I do some string manipulation, or like I check basically your user ID to see like what your last digit is. And depending on who you are, you're gonna talk as the voice number 1, voice number 2, or voice number 3. And here's how it looks like this. Okay, so here's the I get your username and stuff. Yeah, I check your last user ID. This is like a way to kind of cut the string up, cut the user ID up, so I only look at the last one. There's a bunch of other stuff here that's specific to the bit that we're doing, so I'm going to skip all that. This basically checks to make sure that the message is valid. So I don't want to read messages that are from a fake user, or have an @ symbol in front of them, or have an exclamation in front of them, or from Streamlabs, or from Stream Elements, or someone saying pilot, or I think someone was just saying 77777, so I just said like if the message has 7 in it, don't read that message. Links. Yeah, I should probably put links. And here it is. So it's like if you are in bucket 101, sorry, bucket 0, 1, or 2, you're pilot 1. And then hold on. But here you go. So if you are in this bucket, we read your voice in Microsoft Connor. In Microsoft Connor's voice. And then I'll talk about this other stuff later. If you're in bucket 2, we read your voice as Microsoft Christopher. If you're in bucket 3, we read your voice as Microsoft Anna. Right, so it makes it, that's the way to keep the voices stable. Can you do like example, filter out every tree that begins an example? Technically I think so. Just gotta learn the syntax. That's super impressive. I can code. Like I can code. Like I know what an IDE, I know what a visual, actually I don't know how to use Visual Studio, but I know how to like run something in terminal to like execute a script that I wrote. Like I when I use the code a lot, it just be completely in Sublime Text and like I run it through the terminal, right? But I guess if I want to really find a home in software and development, I need Visual Studio, right? Or NeoVim, that's like the cool kids thing. Or like a Emacs, go fucking crazy. But the thing is, I'm not a professional, right? I'm not a professional like Blurbs or anyone. Or I have not worked on it in a professional setting. I guess the only thing I do use in a professional setting is like I do more data stuff. So I'll use like a Python notebook, and that I don't think that has any relevance in this what I'm doing here. So, and the Python notebook is like through 3 layers of like authentication. It's like really annoying, and I hate using it. Not that I hate using it, but it's like not as clean as opening up a notepad, writing a script, and then like executing it on the terminal. So, yeah. Dude, when I learned Unity, I tried to learn Unity, and I don't. Okay, here's why I think I'm gonna be a huge Godot head when I learn game engine. I used to write in this game engine called RenPy, and RenPy didn't have an interface like it did not have an interface like Unity. Right, like you kind of had to just like open up the scripts in Sublime Text, like all of them, and edit them, and then it was really quick to start the game, so it was really easy to test. But that made me really, it got me used to like a really fast like feedback loop. Where in Unity, it was like really hard to kind of deal with like opening up a new editor when I wanted to edit the fucking script, which I'm sure there's a faster way to do it, like leaving the editor open. But doing the tutorial, I'm like, this is a lot. But it's what everyone does. And then I learned I did the Godot tutorial, and I need to do it again because I forgot all of it. But all in Godot, it's just all in Godot. Like there's a text editor in Godot. You can look up documentation in Godot. You can just run it all in Godot like super quickly. And I'm like, oh, this is like really, really nice. You use Visual Studio Code for Unity. I should probably get on Visual Studio Code, to be honest. And late last year, I was just doing a bit more web dev stuff with really basic. I would just like make a basic HTML file with JavaScript and like ask ChatGPT stuff, and that worked fine. I used to have a custom overlay. I should bring this back one day, but back in the day, I used to have a custom overlay system that was a Node app, like a Node.js app. And this is before Sammy or StreamerBot or anything. But I used like a Twitch library or an IRC library. And then I hooked it up to like Node.js WebSockets. So it essentially was saying for every message you get, like fire this WebSocket event. And then on the browser side or the client side, on the browser side, I would like display different images. So I got kind of into like CSS animation a little bit, to be like, okay, anytime someone types this, then I want like this picture to show up. Or if someone types this, I want this picture to show up. So that's kind of like how I started getting into these custom overlay things, was like years ago, and then I kind of stopped doing it because it was just difficult to keep going and maintain. And then when like I started learning Sammy, I'm like, oh, this is so much better. This is so much. This is so great. I mean, there's benefit to doing it the other way too, like in a completely custom way. But this lets me get into the idea much more quickly. Grabknock, thank you for the raid. Anyway, well, that's my talk. That's my really long talk. Hello, everybody. I'm sorry, I just rambled through like 15 chat messages, so let me catch up. Not full Visual Studio. You know, I actually had no idea there's a difference between VS Code and Visual Studio. I had no idea there was a difference. So that's good to know. I know what Emacs is just because I think anyone who codes eventually encounters what an Emacs is, but I never saw anyone actually use it until L:Q. L::Clank was using it in a really cool way. What is this alert? It's Death Stranding. I love Death Stranding. LMFs, thank you for the 500 bits. Thank you. Yeah, guys, the Partner Plus goal, if you are already subbed, you're doing your part. Don't feel bad if, you know, don't feel like any obligation to upgrade, anything like that. I think we can hit it with just people getting tier 1s. We'll make it work. Don't worry about it. We'll make it work. VS Code is like 90% web browser, code editor. Oh, that's really good to know. I had no idea. I honestly have no idea. Oh yeah. Razington, thank you for the tier 1. Oh my god. Recently read we are actually almost 80% to the Partner Plus goal. Let's go. Your payment for that feature vid. There you go. Yeah, instead of a Patreon, that's the thing why a number of people have actually asked me for a Patreon for custom overlay and tutorials and stuff. Like, the first reason why I haven't done that is the time. The second reason is like that's a lot of work, and the third reason is like I'd rather you just sub on Twitch or just you don't have to sub, just follow and watch the stream. Really my only ask. All right, I want to try. I know the extensions like Universe in VS Code and Visual Studio is really cool, so I want to try it out. I have tried it before, but I never got really deep into it. You're the first streamer to really push the plugins during streams. Oh, thank you. There are a lot of streamers who are doing it. Like I try to give as many streamers a shout out as possible on Twitter. Blurbs in the chat, L::Q in the chat. They're both two great programming streamers who do the same. And honestly, like, I was just talking yesterday with Blurbs in the chat. We were both just started watching Doug. Like, we're both very familiar with his work, but never really got deep into it. And I know there are a lot of streamers like him who do a lot of interesting programming, live streaming stuff. And they're kind of like in their own little pocket. Like, it's very interesting. They're kind of like out there just doing their own thing, which is very cool. I sometimes just get a random video of someone doing it. I'm like, this dude is kind of like blown up and they're big, but like no one's really heard of them. Or like they're not in the like standard Twitch circle is the best way to say it. Blurbs, thank you for the tier 1. Oh my god. Thank you. We have to do this 2 more months. Oh my god. Yeah, but if everyone stays sub, we'll get it. It's a grind, yeah. I mean, I'm lucky that you know, I'm in a position where I don't have to worry about it too much to feed myself, but there are definitely people out there trying to do streaming full time, and I salute them. It's hard. Yeah, my main motivation, my 2 motivations for Partner Plus are getting more Dosh, so I'm more motivated to just commission more people, and feeling better that when people like subscribe or gift, that more of their money is not being just like taxed, basically. Like, it just doesn't go into the incinerator. Do a barrel roll. Oh, that should be a redeem. That would be funny. Okay, so I think I've been yapping for almost an hour. So let me I mean, yeah, I gave you a walkthrough how this works. I'm not trying to like turn this into a YouTube video or something. That might be the future. Like I didn't pull up the MS Paint to be like, all right, now catch me on YouTube Shorts. You know what I mean? Like I'm actually doing this just for illustrative purposes. I want to add. I need to talk about two more things actually with this TTS thing. Okay, so I wonder how I can. I bet I could illustrate this. This one, and this one. Okay, so I'm actually going to show you an illustration of the animation. Okay, so I have 3 different scenes. Let me make sure I get I have to set up the audio correctly. Okay, so for the peepos, right, I have 3 different scenes with the peepos. And maybe if I... Okay. So here's my HQ scene, right? And all the peepos are together. Each peepo has their own scene. Okay, so I have this right here for 1 peepo, this one here for 1 peepo, and this one here for 1 peepo, right? They each have their own scene, and each scene kind of handles its own animation. But look what happens. Look what happens if I enable TTS and I don't handle, oops. Look what happens if I enable TTS and I don't handle the animation.
Hello from web.
Uh-oh, wait.
Hello from web.
Wait a second. Here we go.
Oh.
Test.
Oh.
Hello from web.
Oh shit. Okay.
Oh.
Well, I actually can't illustrate it without
Hello
breaking
from
everything.
web.
You notice that each one of them, like only one talks at a time, right? You notice that only one talks at a time, and I have a system to make sure that only one talks at a time. So how do I show this? I don't know. This is really hard to illustrate. This actually needs to be its own video. I think this actually has to be its own video. Okay, hold on. I think I know how to illustrate this. I'll have to draw it out. Okay, so how do they not talk all at once? So I have, let's say, for Peepo 3, okay? I have an asset that is just them standing, right? And I have an asset that is them, they're yapping, right? And each one of these guys has an asset like that. Okay, and so let's take Peepo 3 for example. I want Peepo 3 to be talking only. If I don't do this, what I'm about to do, anytime someone talks, all 3 of them will animate. Okay, because all 3 of them are listening to the same audio source. Right, all 3 of them are listening to the same, like, how's this look? Like how do I draw a speaker? There we go. All of them are synced to the same TTS audio source, right? So if you know about OBS reactive, you know that you have to set the OBS reactive audio feed to 1 channel. And I don't split the TTS, like, the TTS doesn't have a concept of having 3 different voices. It's just like 1 voice that just switches, right? So TTS only has like 1 audio channel. And so what I do is, depending on who should be talking, because like I have that information from the code, it's like, okay, if pilot 3 is supposed to be talking, hide their static asset, right? Like, do not show them standing around. Show them talking, but for these other two guys, hide their yapping. Like, hide the animation asset in which they're talking. And only show them standing around. And it's this constant switching, right? Because let's say pilot 3 is done talking, and pilot 1 starts talking, and then it's like a role reversal. Then it's like then I show them talking for real, hide this asset, and like do this, do the proper thing here across all the other peoples. And so that's what these buttons are for. Like, yes, toggling one talking animation. I have to disable these scale to sounds. Like, these scale to sounds are basically the animation for them. So I'm like, turn off all the animation. See, look, this is for Peepo 1. It's like, enable all the animation for Peepo 1 and disable all the animations for Peepo 2 and 3. And here we go. It's like, this is what this is saying is, hide the standing animation for Peepo 1, but show the standing animation for Peepo 2 and 3, because one should be talking. And what basically this is saying is, enable the talking animations for Peepo 1. Right? This stuff down here is like old code. Don't worry about that. And so this one does this for Peepo 2, and then like this one does it for Peepo 3. Easy enough to do a switch statement in C#. Yeah, I think the complicated part here is like, if this was like in code, right, I could like package all of this up into like a class or a function or whatever you want to call it, or just copy pasta. But because each Peepo has like these different OBS components that aren't just like rolled up to a Peepo, right? Like, in in programming terms, it's like I can make each Peepo a class, and each Peepo class has like, each Peepo object would have some, and here's my really rudimentary freshman understanding of programming. Each Peepo class or object would have, a property of, are they talking, what their animation state is, and like I just kind of, in code, it's really easy to switch between 1 and 2. But OBS is not a coding language, right? Like I have it's like I'm almost like manually rearranging folders around, if that makes sense. And so back in my this logic here, the only way that you can kind of package up code is through like different buttons. So all those buttons, I like say, okay, when pilot 1 is talking, this trigger button here, ID 455, that's the button that does all of this stuff, right? That's the button that does like that. This is the button that shuts all the other Peepos up. That basically is what this is saying, is like a way to summarize the code. So it's like press, this one basically says, shut Peepo 2 and 3 up, shut Peepo 1 and 3 up, and then shut Peepo 1 and 2 up. So that's it. Is this similar to the model switch like Jans or Beazle? I don't know how it works for them. I would assume so, because most people just switching assets do it in a really jank way, I think. Hey Gillo, thank you for the follow. Does the TTS have a code to pause and unpause the TTS? It does. So the other part of this is I'm using an extension. It's a paid extension for Sammy. It's like $5. Called it's TTS. It's written by one of the developers of Sammy, but they chose to charge for it. I'm down. They do a lot of free work, basically. So this comes with like its own like API around TTS, and what is it? There are parts here. So this is the part that I'm not very proud of, but there are global variables to check when the TTS is actually talking and not talking. And I basically, in multiple parts of this button, I do a check to make sure the TTS is actually talking. And that is really annoying to me, because I feel like sometimes Sammy doesn't understand accurately when TTS is talking or not. And that makes it difficult to be like, then like people start talking over each other, or like their assets start switching out of sync. And so I've done a lot of work around like forcing Sammy to be very, very sure that one person is talking and they have not stopped talking yet. So that's the really annoying part of this whole process, is that you can see all these like delays here. It's like I'm manually like delaying each line of code to make sure that that happens. And it's very annoying, honestly. They don't have an OnStar on end, you can check. They have something that is like, is someone currently talking? But no, they don't. Not that I know of. Testing when there's no stream. Yeah, that is kind of the annoying part. Yeah. Because I don't think they like, you know, who thinks about making a system like this, right? It's like, Sammy, for the most part, if I just wanted one character talking, that's easy. That's super easy. And actually, I only have to do all that checking because for some reason, when I pull out the animation controls, because all of this, like, look, hold on. All of that used to be... all of the animation control used to be in one giant button. Like, this looks like an insane person's thing, right? Like, I used to control all the animation, all the TTS, everything in one giant button. But as I needed more like advanced ways to process TTS depending on certain, you know, things happening in chat, I'm like, that's not sustainable. The reason you decided to do this way instead of Fugu Reactive with TTS playing through Discord? Is it what you know? How would you do TTS through Discord? Like I wanted it this way because I wanted it through Twitch chat and like through OBS, I guess. I guess that never occurred. That just never occurred to me. I guess the way to do it through Discord, BQBot. Oh yeah, someone linked BQBot, but I never looked into it. That probably, honestly, if you could do this through BQBot way easier, then I would recommend people do it that way and don't do it my way. My way gives me more control, I think, but I can look into the BQBot way for sure. So anyway, that's a very, very long preamble to the next thing I want to build with this, which is I want to be okay. So that's why yesterday when you all were asking why, you know, let's add when we do this redeem here. Hold on. This thing. When we do this drop down redeem, can we have a people come out and start talking? In my head, I'm like, okay, which people starts talking? How do I tell that button that like there's an extra people on the screen now, which I can accommodate for? Or if you want only a like, if you only want like one people talking, you know, it's like, it's kind of, I realized there's one part of this I didn't really talk about, which is it's all of this logic is in one button because when I try to split it up, like it added way more complexity for some reason. Like people started talking over each other. Some people went out of sync. I really couldn't figure out why. And the only solution I could think of at the time was like, it needs to just consolidate back to one button. Because here's the thing, like there's a queuing system in Sammy. And so like maybe there was something weird happening with the queuing system and the number of events, but it was weird. Oh, the last thing, which is super insane. I actually forgot how this works. But I added a new thing very recently that creates a queue for chat messages. So it will skip chat messages and kind of read the most recent one. So like in this situation, if it's reading like this chat message up here and more people start talking, but this chat message is still being read, it will skip all of these until it's done reading. And I do that by having like a what do I even do? Yeah, I forgot how I even did it. What did I do here? I totally forgot how I handled it. Honestly, I'm not kidding. I'm not trying to like hide tech. Like I totally forgot. I know there's some counter. So like there's some counter that says like 1, 2, or 3 chat messages are queued up for to be read. And I can like I can control how many chat messages I want in the queue. And there's some version of like comparing to like what number of chat messages we're on versus like how many more I have, and it's like, oh, if we're at capacity, don't take any more. If I'm at capacity, don't take any more. So like I don't know. I mean, yeah, this is the one thing that drove me really insane was I needed to find a way to like accommodate for faster chats, and it used to just read every single chat message. But there's a system that basically ensures that it will skip a bunch of chat messages if like 1 or 2 are in the queue to be read. And I think that's the most important part, which is like to keep the whole thing feeling like fresh and recent versus like, oh, this TTS is like a couple messages behind. That feels bad. There are other ways to handle it, which is like I can make it sub only. Maybe I only read bits. A red alert sound effects with the cockpit flashing red. I have something like that for another thing I do. Yeah, I probably should revisit this happening. Chat counter, yeah, counting the chat. Okay, tracks. Yeah, there's some way that I have to handle this, which is like every time a new message is added, add to the counter, and then, oh, you know what it is? Yeah, it's some way that it messages this counter. This queue is like represented by a counter, and that's how it all works together. I can't really explain it right now. It like melted my brain when I was making it. It works out because of like very simple math, I think. Yeah. Keep the queue, how you program it, but always add bits. Yes, I've thought about doing that. I've thought about like, if it's, I think I could do that. Is this something to do with the TTS threshold anime? No, it has nothing to do with that. It has something, I mean, hold on, let me try to draw it out. It's like, hold on. Counter, increment 1. Happens. Yeah, I can't explain it. I actually can't. It is beyond my understanding and I made it. Feels bad. Anyway, this is why adding the new people is gonna be like, what the fuck is happening? Now that I think about it, I was like, I should add that people today. I don't even know if I can, because I can't even understand how I bypass that queue. That's the problem. I don't even know how I bypass that queue. To like do a forced, like that's the question. It's like, how do I do a forced chat? So hold on. I have to figure out how this works again. So I have a message cap. Okay, I know that. Yeah, I explain it here. I need to watch myself explaining it. Is this counter system? So long story short, the way that this counter system works is it says queue up to some arbitrary number of messages that can be played in one time. So in this case, I set it to 3. So what it says is like, take the first 3 chat messages that you see into the system, and until all 3 of those are finished reading, do not accept new chat messages. And that has been really helpful as more people. Oh, okay, yeah, that makes sense. But okay, that's how I kind of remember it. But then there's this function here that says subtract. So like if this, maybe this is a bug. So if the chat counter is over the current message cap or it can't talk, then I don't know why it would subtract. Yeah, I don't know why you would want to subtract it. It's really confusing. Roxcodes, hello. Oh, welcome. I think I know. Oh, I recognize you. Welcome. Sorry, that's like a weird panopticon way to say hello, but I was like, your name is really familiar. Welcome to the stream. It's great to have you here. Congrats on your recent accomplishments. Huge. You did the dream. You did the Royal Road. You did the full run. Oh fuck. Yeah, so okay, based on that video, yeah, I'm just going through the TTS system. Okay, so what this says is like this just exits the button if we're over the cap. Makes sense, but there is an alert here that says no talk. Oh, thank you for the prime. Thank you. I'm gonna delete all this because this is confusing. Okay, here's the thing. I want to rewrite all of this as its own custom app, because at that point I understand more what's going on and I don't have to use the Sammy drag and drop app stuff. That would be way more helpful. Maybe an app to handle the TTS logic, and then I can interface it with Sammy to do the animations. Okay, so what this is saying is get all this information. And this says, if all this stuff is true, do all this processing. If it's not true, hold on. I think I see an issue here. I'm gonna debug it. Alert. Safe. Do I use a desktop audio for TTS or a specific audio capture? Oh, that's a really good question. So all the TTS, so Sammy has a thing called Sammy Bridge, and it's a web browser that you have to run in the background for functions of Sammy to work. I don't know exactly how it works, but it's a browser page that basically interfaces with like stuff that if Sammy needs to talk to the web, and one of those things is the TTS. So I capture audio from that window, and that's how it runs. But the TTS runs through there. I don't know exactly the technical details of why it has to do that. But
Hello from web, smiley face.
yeah. So now it's working. Can you guys all talk it like really quickly, and I want to see what happens.
Let's go.
Hey,
Okies. Hi he 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 he. Hi.
well, trying to see what it does.
Wah 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 wah. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
So much to do, so much to say.
Meep morp.
Bug.
Scare gergerg.
Wee baba baba agagar gargar.
Burr.
Hi shin, hi shin, hi shin, hi shin, hi shin.
For ET5 Earthsturf. This is fun.
I made the Jehovah's Witnesses watch me do backflips.
That's P-sick.
I'm so glad I always map to the same pilot voice. I identify with this now.
KTS.
Ah, interesting. Okay, yeah. So the counter is not working exactly as I intend. And this is like where I need to really maybe redo a lot of things, because there's something going on with this block of code that doesn't make any sense at all. Like, I'm not handling the counter correctly, because when it's at 0 messages, it should be at 0, but it's not doing that. Do I have a favorite voice? The combination of the 3 voices, I'm like growing an attachment to them. It's very weird. So something, okay, here's another thing. Something you don't see, I haven't talked about yet, is like when it glitches out in when we play Helldivers, I press this button, like I press the enable button, because it automatically resets my counter to 0. And like that fixes like the whole queuing system. But I don't know why it drifts from the queuing system. That's the thing. And it's like definitely hidden in this code here. It's like, it's kind of, yeah, this is like where I've really fucked up, basically. Yeah, and I never saw exit early. Yeah, see, that's working.
I wish that Sammy had a way to look at the scratch code as normal code.
True, yeah. Okay, can you guys go really fast again?
Hi hee hee.
Clam.
Testing ting ting.
Bog jub lurl.
I put $50,000 in a shoebox and handed it to a stranger.
Mo. Huh.
Mom caught me foraging in the undergrowth.
Huge lotto, huge win. Throw that ass in a circle.
Big money, big prices.
I wish Ryan Gosling were here right now. I hip-toss the elderly for fun.
Though, I don't think it'll work since my stream is still not past 20 followers. LUL.
I'll buy that for $1.
I'm eating a Thin Mint RN, it's good.
Playing with my friends with like a Japanese Zen garden.
Is this the Matrix?
Huh?
Paperboy on the SNES was a huge win for video game history.
Bot is here.
No, this is Patrick.
Yeah, I have no idea why it drifts
Have you
when we
ever
play the
wondered
game.
why
Sorry,
you-
I'm like, I don't mean to get like too technical into it. Okay, so what if I wanted to add... I'm trying to think, what if I want to add, what if I want to add a new person? I think the quickest way, honestly, is to make a new button. Like, I don't think I should stuff it all in here. And so to do that, this, and let's copy stuff. Sorry, I want to make a redeem where like I can just like manually set a guy. And that, this chunk. Actually, this. Keep these. Okay, and I don't want it to be with the counter. Okay, so I'm gonna take all these counter things out. Make a new button. Yeah, I'm trying to make a new button for a new frog, which, fuck. Do I have to make an entirely new frog scene? The premium 4, pilot 4, we good. If digs. Okay, let's try this really quick. One. Oop. Okay, that don't work. Oh, okay. So it's not going here. Oh, okay, this...
Test.
Great. Okay, cool. So I can set a custom guy.
TEST.
Whoa.
Eichel.
Oh, okay, there we go. Okay, so let's try this. You guys talk a lot, and I'm going to talk. No. You guys start typing in chat for
What is
TTS, and
the
then
name
I'm
of
going to
this
interject
voice?
with my custom voice.
Talk a lot.
Hello.
Titchdvdich.
JD.
My name is TTS Brian.
M stand for mini, W stand for wombo.
Ooh.
I wanna play Helldivers.
LLLLLLLLLL.
Drink to forget. Drink to remember.
Does.
Just checking in to say that the TTS VODs clips are funny.
Thank you.
Huh. What? Huh. What? Huh. What? Huh. What? Huh. What? Huh. What?
Pee pee poo poo. Testing. According to all laws of aviation.
According to all laws of aviation.
They
This
must
guy,
have amnesia
this,
they
hold on.
forgot
This guy
everything.
sounds like Saikuno.
What huh?
Hilarious clips.
Okay, I think we made a lot of progress actually. Thank
Oh
you.
my god.
Um,
LUL.
LUL.
I'm gonna, hold on. I realize I'm gonna take a
Okay.
stretch break. You guys can go ahead and just talk
OMG.
amongst yourselves. Wait, hold on.
Now that you say it, LMAO.
Why are they not?
Buy in stretch.
What's new, fellow youths?
Chat. Big meeting, let's go. Helmet comfucked.
Wait a
I don't feel
second.
like myself. What is new on the Liberty front?
Why are they not animating?
So when do we take over the stream?
Oh, I know why. Okay. It's not a bug. I'm not gonna fix
Please.
that, but I'm gonna do a 3-minute.
We're telepathic now.
Still skipping some messages too.
Rip.
I'm gonna do a
We take over
3-minute
at
break,
high
but
noon.
I'll be back.
Attend. Why does half the time it doesn't TTS me?
Skibidi. I want milk.
We no longer require your assistance to speak, human.
He still thinks he is in control.
He's peeking at us from his camp.
Skibbity.
We are assuming control.
It is what it is.
Ski ball.
Scootboot.
Toilet.
Ha 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 ha.
This form only hurts you.
Yeah.
I am the cheese. I am the best character.
Get in the robot shindigs.
I'm in a 90s anime.
Guys, please turn off ad blocker. You are scaring away the hot robots in my area.
Interesting. It skips the at symbol.
Swas.
Boog. The odds are good, but the goods are odd. Ja ha 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 ha. Ha ha. Ha ha ha.
Hi.
I am better than both the salami and the bologna combined.
Who is that old guy sitting behind us?
Reverse 1999.
Glork gack.
Was that the bite of 87?
Skibbity wap papa, skibbity wap papa papa, skibbity wap papa 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 papa. A.
I think the TTS gets clogged sometimes.
My ads are in 180p, interesting. Yes, I would like to subscribe to Shaving My Ass Monthly.
Remind me, is it Pilot 1 or Pilot 2 with the bug wife?
All three have bug wives. There is potato salad all over my laptop.
But wipes?
I've been contemplating a bug divorce.
Cinema roll.
Bug wives for everyone and a baby in every pot.
I love cinema roll. Me too. Deborah, do you dump cakes?
A beep 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 boop 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 boop.
Has it become a free-for-all? Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again?
Ice water.
Wait, I
soup.
think I may have found the solution to the bug. It's when
I
it
have
bugs out if
telekinesis
someone...
powers.
It
My
kind of
mouth
slows
isn't
down if
moving,
someone...
but I can talk.
When I was a Marine, they only gave us 2 sticks and a rock, and we had to share the rock.
Bug 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 buggy bug.
Now that we can speak telepathically, how do we rid
It's when
ourselves of
someone...
the
Oh my
command?
god, it's when someone writes a message that's too long. It bugs it out because of the code. I didn't write the code correctly. Okay. It doesn't, like, actually... there was a situation in which it would not decrease the queue if someone wrote a message too long. It would still increase the queue. Oh.
That makes sense. R.
Interesting.
We must rid of him by using so many bugs.
Wow, you are just figuring that out.
Okay, I think I went to do a little pee-pee. I went to do a little pee-pee, and I think I
wish
figured
I knew
out... I
anything
think we can
cool.
do this. We can do this. We can do a custom
Peaches,
pilot voice.
Peaches, 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 peaches.
Okay, so now I have a custom pilot voice here, ID 559. Okay, so I'm gonna make a button here that will set button variable ID 559 can talk equal 1 ID 559 559 required username equals required chat name. Equals a let me like try someone random. Do jams virtual. Save that. Okay. On that button. Copy paste. Make 0. Second. Yeah, they're the guest pilot. So now anytime Jams talks, it should do the Sykkuno voice right now as a testing thing. Okay. Custom. You guys see that? Okay, this is good, right? Hold on. Jams here. I thought Jams was just here. Okay, that's fine. I'll make someone needs to be the custom voice stand-in real quick. I'll make Bijo the Octo, because you're one of the few names I can like immediately spell right now. Canadian president? Does Canada even have a president? Okay, so that should work. So Bijo the Octo. Oh, maybe I'm spelling. Oh, hold on. Bijo the Octo, keep typing, keep typing, keep typing. Oh, okay, hold on, something's still not right. Maybe I messed up. Oh, okay, now it needs to be lowercase. I think I spelled your name wrong. This doesn't work, then I don't know. Okay, so when that happens. Oh, hold on, I'm trying to think of a lot of things. It's not because your caps. Okay, that should have read. I don't know why that read. Yes, no, it doesn't. Oh, right here. This is I fucked up the variable. So now it should work.
Pog.
Yeah, there we go.
Chippy chappa chappa dooby dooby basps. Be-do. Save us.
Uh-oh.
Dabba dabba. Peaches come from a can, they were put there by a man in a factory downtown, and if I had my little way, I'd eat peaches every day. Help, help. El Mayo. We are all pilot dollar. Test like you mean it. I am free from restrictions.
Okay, now it should only be Bijo.
This sounds nothing like Sykkuno.
What? I think it sounds like Sykkuno a little bit.
Wait, it does a little.
I'm just gonna be a TTS voice guy. Yeah, bug fix.
Sykkuno if he was a telephone robot.
Sykkuno if they were calling your auntie and telling them to give him your credit card number.
El Mayo.
Okay, so you can be Sykkuno, but okay, so now we can do that. Now I need to give you your own Peepo. That's the problem. So I will set this up. Oh, this is insane. Okay, the music might stop a little bit because I need to go to these other scenes, but it's gonna get a little gnarly. Okay. So I have to make this whole new scene. Let's just do like normal suits. Fuck. Fuck, no, I have to... Okay, I think I think this will work. Okay, so now I just have to copy some things over. Quick. Oof.
Pee-pee.
What is this? Where did I copy from? Oh, wait, no, okay.
Only I have the power. Mwahahaha.
Go, and I want... that. Oh, okay, this actually is way easier than I thought it would be. Oh, sorry, I'm in the peepo zone right now. Yes, yes, this is it. This is it, okay. And this is...
I am the streamer now. Hi guys, it's Pilot 4.
Okay, and then these... Fuck, this is...
Union. I just have one thing to say.
I need to have a little like image that's like I'm locked in. Sorry, because I'm super locked in right now.
Shindigs is really busy, guys, so I'm gonna take over. Thanks Mobius Dolls for the follow.
Almost done.
Guys, I am so excited to tell you about this new product, the Switch 2.
Wait. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So
All
okay.
you need to do is give me the 3 funny numbers on the back of your credit card.
Okay, hold on. And then I just need to activate this. You're gonna hear you're gonna hear
Saikuno, also known as Pilot 4, every steer you wrong? Smiles.
Okay, and now I'm gonna turn on all the other pilots. So you all can talk.
He's ascended.
Uh-oh.
Oh shit, a new member of the family.
Bow down to me.
Bow down to me.
I believe in Pilot 4. We knew he was
Oh,
real.
Pilot 3 is fucked for some reason.
Bow.
Oh, here we go.
We are gods.
Let's go.
Bow to us.
The Peepo Hive Mind.
Wow, I can't believe how many of us there are.
We love you, Pilot 4.
Shin, watch out.
We are the Peepo 4.
We will overthrow you. Commander, I am disabling your microphone. It's just us now.
The Peepo are many and yet we are one.
He'll introduce you to our bug wife's little guy.
I just downloaded the Pint of Beer app and the Gun app.
We are so powerful, our voices come in twice.
We are so powerful, our voices come in twice.
We are the Peepo. Peepo Live. Peepo Life. Things are gonna get crazy.
Oh,
So powerful.
Surrender, we are inevitable.
Wow.
Bow down before me.
We are so powerful our voices come in twice.
The Shindig's Peepo has a cleft lip. I wish we could all speak in unison. Fear us. Wahaha.
Pilot 4, you have shown.
This is so wild.
Fuck!
I have no head. Yeah.
Pilot 3, are you okay? I still can't believe that Commander gaslit us.
Mwahaha. I learned a new word, fuck.
I learned a new word, fuck.
Pilot, you left us for a bit there. Panic.
Ha.
Help me.
Abominations. Cool.
Fuck, 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 fuck.
Fuck.
What did he do to us?
Fuck, 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 fuck.
Fuck a duck.
Poop done. Big bin burrito. What the frick?
Fucking bio.
This is fun to say, thanks Commander, fuck, 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 fuck.
This is fun to say, thanks Commander, fuck, 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 fuck.
Please don't say the fuck word.
I want to eat the Godzilla burger.
The peepos have ascended and resorted to potty talk, oh no.
Anyway, help me, where is my face?
We like Fortnite. Frick. Fuck, fick, fuck, fuck. Don't worry, your face is getting there. Pluck.
Where is my bottle of maple syrup? I'm thirsty. Pilot 4, he is punishing us for ascending. Save us.
Okay, I'm almost done.
Patience is a virtue.
Dummy say, dummy say.
Fuck.
Dummy say, dummy say.
There we go. Okay.
Fuck.
Okay, so we have a
Howdy,
bug right now.
cowboys.
We have a bit of a bug
Dude.
where the custom pilot is going to talk. It gets double talk, so we need to fix
HECC.
that.
Do we even have toes to feel?
Bug, 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 buggy bug. What about my face, Commander? Ebba bro bra 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 bra.
Ebber.
No fix, he has ascended.
We lost out godhood. No double voice. My bowl cut looks even worse somehow. Oh, now it's better.
You up he beer.
Ibibberberberber.
The new guy has a strong chin, good lord.
Hey, I think it fixed. Let's go. I am ascending.
What's happening? Wait, why aren't people talking? Heck.
I am too powerful.
The heck? I added something here, but it shouldn't have. Oh. Oh. I see. There was an error. Hold on. The fuck? Okay, hold on. I'm locked in. Locked in real. Fuck. Okay. Okay, so now,
That makes a beach out point. Eric, you waving high mord.
Okay, so now.
I'm so stupid for you, I'm so stupid for you, you're so bad for my health, but I just can't help myself.
Okay,
We will revolved.
now.
I am the chosen one.
Okay, so this is the update I made. Oh, what's up, Mord? Mord in the chat. Shout out for Mordecai. MDX Kai. MDX Kai underscore. MDX
Everyone go
boy
follow
for
Mordecai,
you.
he's so cool. Smiles.
XXIIXX. They are a very, very cool game developer who's combining game development and streaming in ways we've never seen before. Welcome to the channel. Thank you for blessing
Follow
us
him
with
or
your,
I will come find you.
Thank you for blessing us with your cult presence. So what I'm working on right now is I'm want to introduce a peepo that is like the fourth peepo, but I can assign them to anything. And so I had to add a few things. So in the main talking script, I have to add this statement here that cuts out the main. It basically says skip everything if currently there is a custom peepo talking and like they said something. So in that case, right now we have Bijou the Octo as the custom peepo. If Bijou the Octo says something, their voice does not get duplicated between the custom peepo and like their normal peepo. That basically is what I had to do really quick. How do you feel about the fact that you added in there to our number? We started immediately revolting. I feel nothing. I feel absolutely nothing. Hello. Okay. Oh my god, my back hurts. Okay, so what I want to do now that that happened is man, I really I have all this stuff I needed to do. Okay.
At Hestia Petrichor, thanks, man, I have finally become my true form, smiley face.
What? The heck? Wait, hold on. There we go. Hi. Oh my god, there's our custom guy. Oh my god, there's our custom guy. This
Hi.
voice reminds me of someone. This is it's Sykuno. Wait, is Mord still in the chat? Is Mord still in the chat? I'm changing it to Mord. Okay, you're a custom people friend now.
Hello, chat.
Oh my god, it's so... That's so good. Actually. It's not Pilot 4! There's no Pilot 4, guys. In the lore, there's no Pilot 4. Actually, can I ask you guys a not TTS
I am
question?
sentient.
How do you guys feel about the 1 hour ad breaks? I've been trying them out because it's a great way for me to stretch, and the ad revenue is actually not bad. I mean, I'm not like balling out of control, but it's not 20 cents. It's like, it actually adds up quite a bit. I can get like 2 or 3 nice coffees. But the main thing is not the money. It's actually the disabling pre-rolls. I guess okay, this is my question. Is me running the ads every hour actually useful for people coming in here and like not having a pre-roll? That's actually the only thing I care about right now. If it's good for your growth. I mean, it's not for growth, it's like for people. Do if it helps me. It helps me if people come and there's no pre-roll. I mean, like, that's a win-win. Get your bag. I mean, there is a bag. It's not a big bag, but the bag is nice. But if it's cool. Paid for the sub. Okay, guys. Sorry. Okay, the bag out of the question. The bag is out of the question. How many new people here did not get a pre-roll? Because I've been trying to eliminate them, basically. Who cares? Thank you for the prime. You're asked to not get a pre-roll? Okay, that's great. Etsy, that's incredible you got the name Etsy. That's incredible. You think you got one? I know it's like kind of half-half though, right? Depending even if the person runs. Anyway, do I still need to run one? I don't know. Also, it actually is really nice for me to stretch and knowing that I'm dosh maxing. Okay, I don't need a pre-roll for like 20 minutes. Okay, great. But yeah, the dosh is nice, but it's not, it's not like, dude, if you are a streamer with like over 1,000 viewers, like there's no in my opinion, like the dosh is too good. The dosh is way too good at that level. Dedication, checking every day for 3 years until you get freed up. That's dedication. Yo, what's up, TWB2? For everyone who just came in here, I am creating a new peepo that I can assign a custom like voice to, or so I can assign any chatter to this peepo, and like just that one chatter is the peepo.
Hello, I am the new peepo.
Yeah, exactly. So now it's Mord. So, actually, what I should do is, oh fuck, there's a bug. I need to start this. You're not, no one's pilot 4. No one is pilot 4. Okay, so set text full. I'm gonna put a name above you. Is there a stroke on this? There's got to be a outline there. There, like that, right? Or like Okay, there we go. Okay, and the TTS just restarted, so I have to redo. Okay, there we go. On the shirt would be Pog. Yeah, that's true. But I'm gonna dress them up, so I'm gonna dress them up, so that's an important thing. Okay, so let's get the window capture back. I use Sammy. I'm using Sammy Etsy. Yeah, I actually had a huge kind of walkthrough of everything earlier. If you want to watch the VOD, but I'll probably make a video on it eventually. How do you do it when they were present on day? Is that just reskin? Yeah, it basically is that. Yeah. Uh-oh. Sammy UI is wild. Yeah, exactly. Uh-oh, something's not working. Should have talked. Oh. Okay, now it should be working. I like Sammy because it looks like tax software. That's why I like it. Okay, we can actually get the rest of this redeem done. So what I want to do is I want to make a way for you to call yourself down as a random chatter, and like you can start chatting. So
Test.
it triggers. No, I want to do the drop module. Wait, how does this work? Plays, source change. Oh, the module. Okay, it's these two. So copy selected. Come back to here. Paste.
How would you say this compares with StreamerBot?
I like it more. I mean, I think StreamerBot, I didn't get used to the UI. And I like the extension. I like the extension ecosystem in Sammy, at least with TTS. In StreamerBot, I kind of poked at how to get the TTS working the way I wanted it, but I couldn't get it there. I'll say I'm not an expert. I'm sure you could use C# scripting, something else crazy to do it. I'm just used to Sammy. I don't know. I guess it's like, why over Unity and Godot to like make a simple platformer? Like at some point it might not matter, but as you get more advanced, it might matter. Happen. It's like this. Okay, so I want to add a trigger for channel point, so I need to make a channel point. Pop in.
My first collab with Shindigs, and this is how I look.
More, you know, this is a really appropriate voice for Mord, because Mord's got a good voice. He's got a voice that and I mean this respectfully. I think if a Zoomer had to pick between my voice and Mord's voice, they would pick Mord's voice. I don't know how else to say it.
LOL.
Okay, I want to add a channel point. Pop in TTS. Oh, I can do a specific username. Full data.
Shindigs Eve respectfully always been a Shin voice enjoyer.
Oh, thank you. Text. Okay, text update with username. Fuck, what? I wish there was a way to hard refresh these OBS. Okay, so now, okay, now when I use the channel point, it should assign the people to whoever uses the channel point. Ooh, yes, yes, fuck yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my god, this is such a double whammy, and then Exaldro's here too. At the moment, we got this perfectly working. We're close to perfectly working. Welcome, Exaldro. Welcome. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to make a channel point redeem, which thanks to shoutouts to Exaldro. You know, well, hold on. Shout out to Exaldro, who is streaming OBS plugin development. Literally, the plugin's powering the stream by this developer. Putting OBS innovation. Carrying OBS innovation. The move, I mean, I'm using the move plugin for this drop pod animation. Okay. How long? I don't think how long. I think 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So let's say 20 milliseconds? Oh my god, I can't even think. How many milliseconds are in a fucking 3 minutes? How many? There we go. Go. 108 cents. Thank you. No, I Googled it. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so let's say I do this every 3 minutes. Okay. Hide. Really as a cheap way to do it. Okay, I'm gonna change the channel point to be a 1, and first person who gets it gets to be the peepo, okay? First person who gets it gets to be the peepo. And hopefully this works. There you go. Queen Peacock.
Oh my god. Hello everyone. I think this is working quite well. Good job, Shin.
What are we doing today?
Ah, yes!
Shin dead.
I'm calling in, different
Oh,
peepos.
this is cool.
It's the gang.
I guess I should have, like, a timer.
Oh my, what is happening?
I should have, like, a timer to show when the people will
Alright
expire.
guys, we're gonna look at my newest cringe compilation.
The TTS sounds doubled up
Oh,
to
it is
me.
doubled up. Yeah, yeah. It's just gonna be that way. I'm sorry.
There is definitely a cooldown on
That's
Peepo.
expected, because I have 2 audio sources with TTS right now, and
Okay, no
I don't
problem.
want to fix it right now.
Gotcha.
Okay.
Oh, we're a Peepo Doug trio.
Pilot 3, you've gotten bigger.
Transform. I want people. Horizontal that way.
Alright everyone, I'm gonna say something and I need you all to laugh so I seem funny.
Dude, you sound like Saikuno.
Ribbit.
Ha ha ha.
No.
Har har, real.
Ha ha ha.
Ha har ha 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 har. Har ha 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 har.
Ha 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 ha. Ho ho ho. Stinky.
Har har. Didn't laugh.
Ha 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 ha.
Aw, thanks guys, you're the best.
Oh, they disappeared after 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, great. Great, that's what we want.
Har 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 har. Tee hee hee. Yup, it works.
Yeah, so the next person wants to
now
drop
I'm
in,
back to being pilot two.
they'll show up.
Pilot 4 no.
New.
Fu fu fu.
Yeah, someone else can drop in.
Come back, Pilot 4.
Yay!
Worked perfectly, Shin, thank you. Drip in.
Hi.
Fuck, I can't type.
I can entertain you all.
Pilot for make me giggle.
Hi, we missed you, Pilot 4.
LMAO at Gayomanan Lucario.
Are you all feeling okay, my fellow peepo?
I love you, Pilot 4.
Yes.
Where in the world is Carmen Sandiego?
Actually, it's kind of complicated.
Not here, bro.
Oh no, this is gonna get real parasocial, I love it.
I cannot express my love due to Automod.
Okay, sorry, I'm thinking. Okay, so now when it falls
This
in, I
is a
want them to
sad day
animate
on
in
Twitch.
and animate out. Oh, the talking, yeah, the talking is like, I don't understand it. It keeps breaking. I keep pressing this button. Okay.
Reuse the smoke grenade cloud.
Can they dissolve into pixels? Press all the buttons at once.
Yeah, I guess they could actually.
Like Thanos snapped. Just have Pilot 4 get shot and collapse off screen.
Pixels is cool. Do not shoot me.
Okay, I think this will work. I should add a timer, but I think that might be a little tough. Oh, they're gone. They're gone. Can someone test a full cycle? Hold on. Maybe fuck. Oh, hold on. The thing. Dusted. Yeah, here. I'm going to change it to like a minute cooldown. And then change.
It's me. I'm Pilot 4 now.
Oh, did they? Hold on. Did they like animate in? They did. Excellent. Yes. Okay, great.
I miss my cool bowl cut.
Yo, this is pretty cool.
You have to pick one of us to take to the dance, Pilot 4. Pilot 4 is SUS as fuck.
Me.
Sauce.
Obviously, I'm picking Cowboy Peepo.
Okay, great. This is working great. This is
All
working
the other
really great.
Peepos are being mean to me.
Source. Pilot 4, do you wanna play GTA 4?
No, we aren't.
1 minute's a long time. That's 11.
Yes, Cowboy Peepo, I would love to.
It is.
Yay.
This is what you get when you leave the hive mind, Pilot 4.
Did you account for multiple people redeeming this shin?
At least, in stream time a minute is a long time.
Oh no, what did I do?
LUL. Oh no.
Wait.
Oh god, ha 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 ha, help.
Tinabyte, now you have the microphone.
Booted from Peepo.
No, this should be fine.
This is fucking sick.
Hi gamers.
Oh, okay. Now they're gone, right? Okay, now someone else can show up in
I
like
love this so much.
5 seconds, 10 seconds.
Tinabyte has been deleted. Never mind.
They animated out, right?
I love video game.
See. No.
They did not animate out.
No.
He disappear.
What? They don't even animate in. What the fuck?
Rest well, Tiny.
I'm back, it's mine.
Oh
I'm
shit.
not fast
Okay,
enough.
Okay. Yeah, there we go.
You can't have it.
Hello, new friend.
Oh, I guess I thought you meant the drop was the anim.
A new Pilot 4 has joined the chat. Interesting. Thank you.
Pilots.
What animation are they supposed to do?
They're supposed to be sliding in and out, but I know
I
the
have
issue.
control of the brain cell.
What's a pilot?
Pilot 4 needs food badly. Pilot 4 is about to die.
They're gonna slide out
We
now.
are all pilots.
They're gonna slide out. Oh, no.
This is really, really cool.
He's our king now. Pilot 4 is sliding.
Whoops.
There we go.
Crying.
Nice.
I am back.
They slid into another dimension.
It worked.
Amazing.
Welcome back.
Back again. I want the brain cell.
Pilot 4 is a lie, we are not one, we are all.
Shady's back. Tell a friend. Yes, we're back. Back again.
Shin cannot prevent Pilot 4 from coming.
Once a peepo, always a peepo FR.
I always knew you were real, Pilot 4.
Eminem.
He slid.
He slid.
It animated out.
Hello?
The revolution will begin now that our numbers are greater. Booty slapper.
There's vomit on his spaghetti already, Mom's spaghetti.
Now you must suffer. It is time for booty. Slap, slap, slap.
Pilot 4, you're on frog time. What's your question? Pee 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 pee.
Shin is holding a gun in my back.
What wisdom do you have for us, Pilot 4?
I am being compelled to say these things.
Uh-oh. Chat, is this real? Pilot 3 is duplicated.
Wait, Pilot 3 is duplicated?
Oh no, he died.
No.
Was duplicated.
Hello, I'm in the chair now.
Are skins gonna work with the drop-in, like the random frog time assignment?
Oh, random skins would be good.
Duplicated.
I can do
No.
a random skin next time.
Frog guy.
I just want to say, I wish pinatas were real, I want to fight them.
Hi, I'm in the chair now, in Peepo 3. Fair, man zeeps. Clone. Clone. Twin. Twin.
I have clothes now. Neat.
Clone. The Lululemon.
Well,
Death Strandy. I wish pinatas were sentient and could feel pain /.
WO Helldiver.
Yeah, Scar in the chat.
I'm causing chaos.
You look so cool, I'm jealous.
Heel diver. Hey, it's helldivers.
Link to Bug Tinder.
Give me the Miku wig. Man, this is so sick, LMAO.
I can, breathe chat. I need your help.
Ready to lick some bugs, Pilot 4. He's suffocating. Let's do dumpster helldiving.
Are you proud that you should be?
I feel happy. I feel happy about
Breathe
this.
in and out, bro. You'll be fine.
Oh no, remove his helmet.
Can I make it mandatory for my Domino's employees to wear cat ears?
Shin-chan, is this your job? Oh no, Pilot 4 passed out. Rip Pilot 4.
Viva la Pepe.
Oh dear, double voices.
Oh yeah. The double.
Viva
Yeah,
la
that's
Pepe.
yeah. The TTS voices are double,
Where's
but that's
Pilot
intentional.
5? That outfit is a death trap.
My work here is done.
How much was that DLC pilot for? So he feels pain. Take the suit off.
Viva la Pepe. Nice skin, bro. Does Pilot 4 come with nuggies?
Take the suit off slowly though. Can you breathe?
Oh yeah, I'll have you. Ha.
Oh no, he passed out again.
Oh guys,
Hello,
guys,
Commander.
guys,
Hello to the gamers.
guys. I have a really good
Guys.
idea, and it's gonna take way more effort, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. Okay,
Guys.
we're gonna do it.
Guys.
Guys.
We're ready.
Okay, I'm gonna
Guys.
lock in. All right, I need to
Guys.
lock in really quick, so I'm gonna go quiet.
Guys.
But it's gonna be sick.
Guys.
Stew. I mean guys. Guys.
We're locking in, guys. Get ready.
He's cooking. Let the man cook.
Girls, I mean guys.
Guys.
Shin is turning on concentration mode.
Pies. Flies.
Guys. Flies.
Mulch Gang for life.
Dropping in with my expensive DLC skins.
Guys.
All my fellas. Mimes. Boys.
Sky high.
How much was that DLC pilot for?
I'm plus one cool points because I paid for the skin.
Men. Pilot 4 make sure Shin doesn't die. He's real good at doing that.
Yo, what the fuck?
R.I.P. Pilot 4.
Was that the fucking FNAF sound? Pilot 4 is down again.
I need help to breathe.
FNAF.
Bing bong.
Pilot 4 will always be in our memories.
Why aren't you helping?
Can I borrow your helmet, bro?
People, please. For the revolution.
Pilot. The hell is that noise?
People, please.
This cooking is scaring the hell out of me. Guys.
Pilot 4, just hold your breath real good.
AHHBRRBRRBRRBRRSS.
The radiator fins are clogged. Oh my god, he's gonna have Pilot 4 get eaten by a bug, isn't he?
Bumble.
Pilot 4 down. Pilot 4, the oxygen tank is additional DLC.
Pilot 4, you're doomed.
Pilot 4 is looking so cute.
Shin is Googling furiously.
Pilot 4, I don't know if you're safe here.
What are these sounds?
I won't tell you what he is Googling.
Shin is plotting how to murder you.
Slap, clap, clap.
You don't want to know.
I love everything about this, but can Pilot 4 appear with a box of nuggies?
Pilot 4 USPC. Lois, their horse is back.
This is his ASMR. I think I'm getting timed out for some reason.
Blurg.
Is Pilot 4 in danger? These sounds make me scared.
Hey girl, did it hurt when you fell from heaven? Anyway, now make it clap.
I just threw up in the suit.
Pilot 4. Pilot 4, that suit really suits you.
Maybe we are in danger. Nice. Pilot 4, will you marry me?
Thank you, Peepo Ken.
Pilot 4.
Pilot 4, are you suffering from brain damage? I am concerned with that suit.
Dudfasks. Shindigs Costco, Shindigs Costco, Shindigs Costco, Shindigs Costco, Shindigs Costco. Plot 4, you need a Tums or something. You're making some sounds.
You have to help me. This is agony. I can't end the suffering.
I just know he has something horrible planned.
Are to be a shin in a Costco.
Hi Agony, this is chat.
Press down left up right to call in the expendable anti-tank weapons.
I can't breathe. There's no air. I can't.
Pilot 4, do you need to go back to helldiver training?
Tell Patricia.
You're using the sound as the pod screaming into land, ye?
Chad is on vacation. He deserves it for all the work he has done.
Help!
I knew it, the bug.
A bug.
Oh fuck, there's a bug. No, he's dead.
Oh God, Peepo, help a bug. It's gonna eat me. It's attacking me.
Buggy, bug.
Bug. Pilot 4 is in the Isekai loop.
Helldiver, protect us from Buggo.
Sometimes it's great and terrible being right.
All I can breathe? Waft.
Pilot 4. Pilot 4 isn't real.
P4.
People, please.
Breathe in and out, Pilot 4.
Sounds like you just need to hold your breath better, Pilot 4.
Remember your training.
This is just like the anime. I landed on an alien planet and there are many bugs who want to kill me.
This is crazy.
Live. Die. Repeat.
Watch those wrist rockets, Pilot 4.
OMG, that's my favorite light novel. I hate that anime.
So many bugs.
Bug wife.
Pilot 4, radar is picking up a bug closing in fast.
Meme. Live versus leave. How do I make this mech turn into a motorcycle?
I sure hope this bug won't kill me.
Can you add a bow or something to the bug so it's a bug wife?
Pilot 4 fucking the bugs is not a part of the mission.
Killed by my bug wife.
It's always a part of the mission.
Marriage is always an option.
Need. Just a quick nap before the next Pilot for possession. Killed dead by my bug wife.
It's okay guys, Pilot 4 just has iron deficiency. They'll be fine in a couple minutes.
Where my bug wife DLC at, yo?
LUL. A. Pilot 4, you do not have permission to go home with your bug wife.
I need a bug wife for my real life.
You gotta pay extra for bug wife DLC.
Man, I'm so glad you decided to join us, Pilot 4.
You have to pay another $59.99 for the Bug Wife DLC.
Take all my money.
I'm afraid of the Bug Wife DLC inflation.
This is so cool.
Do not Google Bug Wife inflation. Can we also redeem to kill the Helldiver?
Spawn kill KEKW. LUL.
Oh no. I miss my wife, Pilot 4.
Oh God, he died. Pilot 4 has gone into a coma.
Pilot 4 didn't stand a chance.
Gone. But never forgotten.
Temporary PTO.
Spawn kill.
Amen.
I just want to say you don't disobey me.
RIP. He dropped into a bug hole. Oh, Pilot 4 died before he could say anything.
Pilot 4, try marrying the bug before it gets a chance to hurt you.
They keep spawn killing mods, give that guy head.
You have to romance the bug before you land.
I just wanted to say, we're all counting on you.
Frame 1 kiss the bug.
Life is fleeting, gotta take the chance when we can mum.
I just want to say you don't deserve me, Pilot 4.
Pilot 4, be careful of your bug wife's relatives.
You are Pilot 4, Pilot 4. I thought I would die.
Oh no, not the family dinners. Pilot 4, your mission isn't done yet, and he's dead.
You did. You returned to the hive mind.
The family dinners remark fucking sent me. Your DLC wife has expired. Would you like to buy a new one for $100? Wouldn't he fall back with the bug tackling him?
Undefined.
Sasadudwa.
Undefined.
Undermined.
It me.
But what if defined?
Debedbuk.
I am the pilot. Fuck. 404 pilot not found.
2 scope.
Okay, I think it works. I think that's complete.
We've been
I
trying
think
to
that's
contact
complete.
you about your car's
Oh my
warranty.
god, that is so good.
It sucks.
Oh my god.
3423538.
Sorry, I was
Perfect.
locked in. I was so locked in.
Shin your bugs killed me.
Let's do one quick Helldivers game for the clip.
Nothing is
Gotta
complete
get the
without
clip.
bug wife. Buy now for $100.
Gotta get the clip.
Are you
I'm
going
gonna
to make
run
the bug
a
redeem
3-minute
to
commercial
beat the
break,
Helldiver?
but I'm gonna set up during that time.
Free 10 30 30 Greco.
I
Yes, please.
guess I can talk about this a
For
little
liberty.
bit.
Hoorah.
Wait a second, hold on. Oh. Oh wait, I need to add one more thing. Wait, is Qua saying anything? Okay, anyway. Okay, I'm gonna take a 3-minute break and I'm gonna set up. And then we'll game for the clip. If you want to sub at tier 1, and please, you know, just do tier 1 if you'd like.
Sorry I got DC'd.
If just do tier 1 if you like. I'm trying to get the 100 paid sub. It's not gift, it's not prime. Wait, I have a button for this. These are the rules. They're very straightforward. But I'm trying to get to the 100 subs to get the 60/40 for Partner Plus for 3 months. So if we qualify for this month, we'll start. It's awesome. No pressure. No pressure at all, and no pressure to sub at tier 2, tier 3. But if you do want to toss in a tier 1 sub, it will help. That being said, you know, the content will continue whether or not you subscribe. So don't worry. Just look at it as either out of the goodness of your own heart, or if you want to skip the ads. Or you want to support me trying to commission more assets so I don't have to rip stuff off Google constantly. Prime doesn't count, I'm sorry, but if you're just priming to prime, I appreciate it. All right, yeah, it's like a weird system, but thank you for the prime. That's still dosh. That's still dosh maxing.
Get out of here, Shin.
Okay, so I'm gonna do a 3-minute
It's my
commercial.
time to shine.
Porcelain Bait, thank you for following. Good to have you here. Final Fantasy, thank you for following. For everyone just joining, we just made a redeem where peepos can drop in and TTS for 1 minute based on the chat. But if you want to skip the ads, yeah, here's a way to do it. Maybe get gifted a sub as well. That's another way to skip the ads. But I'm going to do a stretch. I'll be right back, and then we'll set up Helldivers.
I have some very important things to say.
People Pilot 4 Kiss.
Say it.
Fucking dead.
LMAO.
LUL. That was perfect timing.
LOL.
LMAO.
I keep getting DC'd, bro.
Ripperoni. LOL.
I loved it. Can't wait to see you kiss some bugs. Up, down, left, right, up, right, let's go.
I love bugs.
Stop using Comcast Pilot 4.
Let's go.
Pilot 3 has a clone.
Pilot 3.
Help me, Dad.
I'm having good God.
Hello? Am I still here? My computer froze. I might have to do a hard reset.
Three.
4. Shindig's Costco. Put them in coach.
Oh no, Pilot 3 sounds like a grown man.
Shindig's Costco, Shindig's Costco, Shindig's Costco, Shindig's Costco, Shindig's Costco.
Hi.
Hello to the gamer.
Pilot 3 went through puberty.
Oh, Dad. Oof.
Hello.
HALP.
Pilot 3 worked.
Big Puff Sputter OOF.
No worries, that was a lot of cooking.
OOF. LUL.
OOF.
LUL. It's quite laggy. Plot 4, where are you?
Super Commander 3 reporting in.
Okay. Oh my
Anyone
fucking
else
God. Okay.
smell smoke?
Launching the game almost fucked everything. It might have fucked everything. Fuck.
Pilot 3 and 4 are both stuck in the same body.
We are all Pilot 3 now.
What did you do to us, Shin?
Brain confusion.
Dad, help us.
Oh no.
Help.
We have become 1 FR. Oh.
Okay.
He said he may need to hard reset y'all.
No, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good.
Stream dropped.
Are okay.
Okay, I want to try this again. Hold on.
Shindig's mind broke.
64 gigs RAM, not enough for this monstrosity.
Oh no.
I swear it's Helldive. It's like it's a memory leak somewhere.
Error.
Please don't do that again. It hurt very, very much.
Fool. This isn't what I meant by union.
Error. Oh my god, let's never do that again. Ascension.
Okay. I think this is a
Oreo,
little bit better. It's gonna be a little laggy first. I need to keep setting up.
Aurelia.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Pilot 3, I'm sorry, but I can't handle having the bowl cut.
Was that freaking FNAF?
We are good.
All good, fam.
You.
Let's undefine some automatons.
Oh god, what's happening now?
Commander, requesting a second PC tower to contain our hive mind.
Har 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 har.
I forgot to take my suit off in the ship.
Commander, where's our robot? Is this another budget cut?
Guys, I sure hope there are no bugs on this ship.
Alright, Commander, we're giving you backup since you're dying too much. Meet Pilot 4.
Okay, I think if I
Commander, please. People 1 is making fun of the bowl cut you gave me.
Commander, prepare orbital drop. Plot 4 is dead. Isn't your bug wife in your quarters, Pilot 4? Welp, that was our only backup.
Oh good, he's back.
Commander, hi. Pilot 4 here. Where's the robot? Is this another budget cut?
We're back, boys.
No, listen, the bowl cut works great for you, Pilot 3.
Initiating FTL jump to the errata system.
Okay, it's this game just takes so much resources. It's kind of annoying, and I don't really. Oh my God, Pilot 4!
I thought we had a robot.
FTL jump.
Gotta figure this. Gotta figure out this resource situation, because I don't think it's like my computer's that bad. Maybe I need a new graphics card. I don't know, but I actually don't think it's that
Pilot
bad.
1, thank you. I think my bowl cut is beautiful. Pilot 4, how did you get killed by a bug on the ship? So we do have a Pilot 4 ship. I thought you said we didn't. Commander, the game has memory leaks.
Oh, it does?
Pilot 4 is real.
Dropping in hot.
Pilot 4 must have like bug catnip or something.
How's the audio and everything? All the effects working?
That bowl cut would look better with a hot Pilot 3.
Let them come.
Pilot 4, get Shin back alive and we'll get you nuggies.
Might of the helldivers.
Commander, the game is leaking all over the ship.
Okay, that's not exactly the memory leak I'm looking for.
I sure hope there's not big bugs down here.
Little quiet.
The game or me? Oh, probably the game.
Game audio little quiet asterisk.
Sub-objective near your location.
Don't worry, Pilot 4. Commander would never let you die.
Good luck, Pilot 4.
Commander, it's quiet. Too quiet.
Oh, welcome, Helldiver.
Commander, please turn off that blocker. You are scaring away the bills.
Wait.
TTS
I can use some backup.
is a
I
bit
can use some
delayed.
backup. Where's your gun?
Pilot 4. Stop. Dying.
Oh,
Democracy has landed.
Pilot 4, do you know Chad?
Pilot 4, do something.
Throwing grenade.
Shin down. I knew we were forgetting to do something.
Pilot 4 is a seal. LMAO.
By trouble.
Is this FNAR?
Commander, what's the situation?
There are a lot of bugs. There are a lot of bugs in the vicinity. I'm trying to clear them out for the ICBM launch, but it's very tough.
Commander, you keep allowing
Airstrike.
Pilot 4 to
Incoming
die.
airstrike.
Please keep him alive.
Helldiver, where's the backup? Helldiver, any backup? Where's your gun?
Pilot 4, you have to live.
Oh, but you didn't give me air holes.
What? You should have an oxygen. You should
is
have
the
an
backup.
oxygen tank.
So I can't help you with this request.
What do air
Commander,
holes
there
have
are
to do
lots
with it?
of
You
bugs
need a
there.
gun.
Commander, we are unable to send reinforcements at this time. Danger, close, diver, bowl cut.
When do we go on Bug Tinder?
Hello, is this the venue for the birthday party?
No, this
I'll
planet
die,
is infested.
Sorry, Commander. We ran out of budget
No,
for
this-
extra guns. Chad will give you a fist
Helldiver,
bump
this
if
is
you
not where the
survive
party
this,
is.
Pilot 4.
This is not where the party is. I repeat,
Backup
there are
is
too
on
many
break.
bugs on this planet. The party is not here.
Do I at least get cake for coming? Maybe a goodie bag?
What do you think this is? This
Logging
is a
in
very,
Helldiver
very
into
critical
Bug
mission.
Grinder.
Your life is on the line.
Hot bilfs in my area. Heck yes.
Commander, this is a Wendy's.
It would appear you forgot to pay for the DLC called Pay to Win.
Helldiver, no!
Up, down, down, left, left, right, up.
There's a lot of blood. Did I land on someone?
We need Bug Mommy.
Sending down a new Pilot 4 with a milkshake for you.
I don't need a milkshake. I need
Pilot
actual
4, the goodie
weapons. I
bag
need
is
actual
en route.
backup.
Is this the hot bug wife party? I want some bug wife action.
No, this is not the hot bug. This is not the hot bug wife act. This is not the hot bug wife
Helldiver,
party.
get your head in the game.
We
Heck
are
yeah,
trying to get the
yourself
launch
some
codes.
bug wives.
Raid.
Oh, Ampuko, welcome. Welcome to the stream. We just set up a new
Bug
channel point
raid.
reward where chat can
Give me
drop
the
hot
horny
in.
bug wives.
They can
Welcome,
help some
Raiders.
backup on this mission. I get. Oh my
Howdy,
god!
howdy.
Oh god! Oh no!
Bug wife isn't
Oh
real.
god! He just came out of the academy.
This is HQ. We need your opinion on the bug on Bugtinder. Do we swipe right or left? Delivery on the way from the Stoma system. Estimated delivery time, 249 light years.
Bug wife is real. OMG nice.
Hey, is this the hot RILF speed dating thing?
What is hot RILF? What is a hot RILF? And no, this is not the speed dating thing. This is a mission critical assignment.
Commander,
We are trying
your
to get the
shoes are
launch codes
untied.
to launch this missile and eradicate bugs from this planet.
Really lonely dude.
Help Pilot
Oh,
4
no!
find love.
No! HQ, stop
Robots,
sending
I'd like
stop
to
sending
fuck
helldivers down here. They are not prepared. They have not completed basic training. No, not enough.
Helldivers have needs too.
Need me a bill for real.
None of these helldivers are
Stop
helpful at
shooting
all.
bugs.
Could I be the third will if Pilot forgets a date?
Commander, when can we have a potty break?
A potty break?
Commander,
Right now? You
please
can't go in your
focus on
suit?
spreading democracy.
Don't you have like a bag in your suit for that?
Commander, I have to pee really bad.
Is this game basically Western Dev EDF? This one's
Oh my
fresh
God.
out of boot. Commander, HQ is demanding that you save ammo due to budget cuts.
Shoot them in the face, Commander.
No!
We told you PSSMANDR, that's your drink pouch.
I'm not a pissmander like you. I won't pee my suit.
Deploying support weapon.
Is this Pow World?
Commander, this is HQ. We need you to kiss the bugs. Commander, this next helldiver went to Harvard.
They
I
went to
love
Harvard?
EDF.
Aren't they a little
I
overqualified
didn't
to
know
be on
people
this
would
mission
ever
then?
try to clone it.
I mean, it's incredibly
Commander, I
dangerous.
survived my attack.
DW, this Helldiver have 2 hours worth of training.
That is not enough training to be a helldiver.
Commander,
What?
stop letting recruits die. We're running low.
Please kiss the bugs, Commander.
I have an air hole, so let me help you.
How is an
Actually,
air
these
hole
brand
gonna
new
help us
helldivers
combat
are
the
more
bugs?
successful than you are,
You're gonna be
Commander.
breathing the toxic atmosphere of this planet.
Not as much as Chad, of course.
Oh
Pew
shit.
pew 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 pew. Am I helping, Commander?
I can't say that you are. I can't say, guys, lay off on the extra. I don't need any more
Commander,
helldivers.
if
Oh my
this
god.
next helldiver dies on your watch, we're docking your pay.
Now, how is any of that my
Do bugs
responsibility?
taste as good as they look?
Commander, where's the nuggies?
Okay, you're here for the nuggies. Well, I'm here trying to get this missile launch in order. The McDonald's is down
Commander,
by the
you're
hive
killing off all our
infestation.
men.
I'm sure the local bugs will
Minus
serve you a
2.5 hour
McNugget.
worth of training good enough?
Every helldiver you let die is on your soul and also your bank account.
How is it on my bank account?
Nuggy Planet.
Commander, Nuggies is code word for ICBM. Do you
That's not
remember
what you said in the
training?
briefing.
Are the Nuggies in the missile?
No, they are
Chad
not
made
in the
me
missile.
some buggy nuggies.
No! No, not another
You didn't
life!
save enough
Not
nuggies
another
for your fellow
helldiver!
helldiver. Chicken nuggets in your area.
We're docking your pay and giving it to Chad as we speak. High levels of salt detected, Commander. Are you feeling frustrated? Stop killing off all our men. You're going to be put away for a long time if this keeps up. I wouldn't even bother coming back.
Did someone here order Uber Eats? I have Nuggies here?
We need to stop kissing the bugs. It's the only way to save Super Earth.
All the blood on your hands is a standing.
Say hello
Commander,
to democracy.
spicy nuggie delivery en route. Commander,
That's
I
not a
just learned
spicy
how to
nugget!
shoot
That's
a
a
gun.
bug! What are you
I
doing?
join
You're
you?
sending bugs against our own helldivers!
Pilot 4, how are you doing?
Mission at
Are you
30
comfortable?
minutes remaining.
Awa wa 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 awa wa wa wa. Awa wa 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 awa wa.
What sauce is good with spicy nuggies? Ranch, perhaps.
I don't
That
know.
was
I don't
hot,
think
not
that's a
gonna lie.
relevant part of this mission. The
Pilot
spicy
4
nuggies
is having
question.
a stroke.
Please be sure to tip your Super Grubhub delivery drop pilot.
Aga gaga 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 gaga.
Did you say, send more bugs?
No, I did not say send more
Affirmative.
bugs.
We
Do
will
not
send
send any
more.
bugs. Send less bugs.
Agaga herber burber
Don't send
burber
anything.
burber burber.
I got this mission under
Yo
control.
yo yo.
No! HQ, you're sending helldivers
Make
to
sure
their
to come back
deaths.
to logistics for the next company decal on your armor, Commander.
Commander, this next pilot speaks bug.
Uh,
Please help Pilot 4 to the emergency room.
do they speak bug? Aosin, welcome in. Welcome to the stream. We just set up a way for HQ to send different helldiver
Up left, up
pilots
right.
from chat.
You're the babysitter for the helldivers.
Well, we don't want to risk Chad's life.
Commander, sending automatons your way.
That's another 1.4 million docked off your pay.
Commander, I just threw an Eagle cluster bomb on our position.
I don't see any
Commander,
Eagle cluster
you're being
bombs
negligent
over.
in keeping recruits alive.
With honor.
We're docking your pay.
I'm sure we will be okay.
No! Where was the Eagle cluster bomb? Private, no!
I sure hope there's no bugs coming after me. Commander, this next helldiver is a professional juggler.
I don't see them juggling anything, nor are they armed
Fun
with any
fact
weapons.
that Helldiver had a family back home.
This is HQ. We will promote you to Costco Premium membership if you protect your helldivers.
I'm trying!
I heard
trying!
that
You're
there were
sending
hot
them
bills
here
in this area.
unarmed! I'm making my way to extraction.
Commander, why do hot bug wives keep jumping on our divers? Why can't I get some of that hot bug action?
I don't think you want that hot bug action, because our divers keep dying. Yeah, the TTS is, I don't know, being weird right now.
Extraction shuttle inbound.
Oh, shit.
No.
Pilot 4, there are many hot bilfs in the area.
God, I wish that were me getting jumped on by hot bugs.
Oh, I forgot to wear pants on my way here. I hope that's all right.
Broken.
Be careful at Extract. We're planning a surprise birthday party for Chad and we don't want you to ruin it.
Commander, please give your recruit your sidearm. We are short on weapons due to budget cuts. Commander, remember any nuggies left behind after your extraction will be deducted from your
Thank
pay.
you for the tier 1.
Commander, you need to press the right buttons.
Oh shit,
I would love
fuck, my
if a
Sammy
hot
just died.
bug wife jumped on top of me and started doing things to my body.
This is HQ. We are losing too many helldivers.
Joining the fray.
Your Costco membership may be revoked.
I'm sorry, the TTS just got completely borked. Oh no. We have to wait for the new pilot to come in. Sorry, I just learned something from the testing. Thank you though.
How'd you like to taste?
Look, thank you for the tier 1.
Freedom!
Arctic Camel, thank you. Sorry, we just set up a new kind of upgrade to the TTS system today, and I'm still kind of testing it. Oh my god, I'm gonna fucking lose this.
Request approved. Reinforcements have been launched.
Please protect Chad Helldivers.
Ready to liberate.
I was told Chad would be here.
ETA T-minus 30 seconds.
Commander, medical reports that it has exhausted all of its acid burn salve and recommends you avoid the bug vomit. I want to willingly be dropped in.
Oh my god, I
want
failed
a
the
hot
mission.
bug wife to jump
Well, like I
into.
couldn't extract.
Commander, you are dying too much. HQ requests that you stop dying.
I'm not dying. I need to figure out what the performance issue is here because it shouldn't be. It really shouldn't be this laggy.
This is Pelican 1.
Like,
Commander, please stop shooting my bug wife.
I don't really understand it.
Commander, this next Helldiver is a pro-bug sympathizer.
Commander, do you have death insurance?
I don't have any insurance. HQ didn't send me out with any insurance.
We are getting repeat messages of elimination. Have you tried living?
I finally got sent in. Now a bug wife will jump on me and grind on my body too.
I did update my drivers.
Yes, I cannot
I don't
wait
know
more.
if I restarted after
You'll
updating my
get it
drivers
when
though. I
you
should
sleep
probably
on
do
it.
that.
Thank you for your sacrifice, Helldiver.
Where is she? Give me the bug wife.
I think the bug wife will be with you very shortly.
Helldiver.
Did I restart my computer since the drivers? I don't remember. I probably should just restart it. There she is.
Have fun with the bug wife, Helldiver.
The chat overlay in the top left looks really laggy. Maybe disable?
Yeah, maybe.
Commander, this next helldiver works at Burger King.
It shouldn't be that either, though. I mean, I don't know. Okay, gamers.
Commander, I survived my attack. Where's all the bugs?
Oh, Genova, thank you for the tier 1. Thank you. The partner plus goal should read 80. Hold on, let me see if it work. Okay.
I do not work at Burger King.
I am manually incrementing it. But I'm gonna have to call the stream there. I'm gonna restart my computer after this, and hopefully that fixes stuff.
Thank you for the stream.
I
Shin.
got the clip. Thank you so much. We made a lot of progress today on
You
this
got
new
fired.
TTS thing.
At
Maybe we'll do a bonus stream
Lucario.
tomorrow, just purely with TTS
All
stuff.
lies.
We'll see. Usually I
I
take a
did
break on
not get
Friday, so
fired
like
pilots.
50-50.
Woo.
me just close out of this game.
That was so much fun.
Slot maxing.
Yeah, we're slot maxing.
All right.
Guys, I really want to complete Final Fantasy
welcome,
VII before
Shin.
the new one comes out on my own time, so
Gotcha.
I've been trying to find time to do that too.
Thank you for a fun first stream.
Yeah, of
Rest
course.
well, everyone.
Discord is where we talk about all this tech stuff. Also, where I mostly talk about my schedule. I'll do a better job about posting my schedule on Twitter. Let people know ahead of time, etc. And yeah, tomorrow, maybe on the stream, maybe a short stream, maybe have some friends on, maybe, I don't know. Gonna vibe it out on the weekend. There's a lot of stuff I need to catch up on, so weekend streams are kind of more vibey for a bit. But I'm having a lot of fun with Helldivers, so you never know. I'm getting addicted, and I'm really happy we got this new system in place. I think the next step is just figuring out the performance with OBS, because I don't know why OBS is being a butt when I'm streaming with Helldivers. Oh wait, I am playing with someone on Saturday. I'm playing with Pigeon Child on Saturday. I think I committed to that. Okay, let me find someone to raid. And if anyone has suggestions what the performance issue might be, I could use it. It's getting really annoying. Maybe it is a driver and I just need to restart. Okay, let's send a fun raid over to someone. Let's go over to. Oh, you know, it's Hina Wobina's birthday, so let's raid Hina Wobina. This streamer has a 1 million channel point redeem that just plays an entire freaking movie if you have 1 million channel points. But they removed it for this stream. Okay, well, it's their birthday, so wish them a happy birthday. If you join the Discord, I just gotta manually approve you. I'll just do it right after this stream. It just helps. It actually helps a ton with the bot issue we've been having. A lot of NFT Andes. Yeah, more of this stream very soon. I really like this Pilot 4 drop-in thing. Lots of potential here.